Namaste Vidya, Zara Kushro Vidya, myself Dr. Balraj Singh. Today's topic is Kiratik. Kiratik botanical name is Swarsia chiraita. Kiratik botanical name is Swarsia chiraita. Family Gentiaceae family से belong करता है ये and कुल भूमि नींबू कुल इसको बोलते हैं and Charak mentions chiraita in Tiktiskand and स्तन्य शोधन महाकषाय and Krishna निग्रहण महाकषाय. स्तन्य शोधन महाकषाय and Krishna निग्रहण महाकषाय Kiratik. एंड शुड मेंशन इन आर्यभट्ट देवी. हिंदी में अपन इसको क्या बोलते हैं चिरायता. अब इसके पर्याय और उसके अर्थ देखते हैं. सबसे पहले किरात, ए प्लांट दैट ग्रोज इन प्लेस कॉल्ड किरात एंड हैविंग तिक्तरस, सो इट इज कॉल्ड किरात तिक्त. किरात या किरातक प्लांट ग्रोइंग इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन and Ramsena Himalaya known as Kiratik. Katutik, that which having Katu and Tikra, so it is called Katutik. Kantik, the stem and the whole plant is thick in taste. Anaryatik, this plant is known from the time of Dravidians. Buning, a small herb having bitterness like that of neem. Hame, growing in high altitude of Himalayas, so it is called hame. Main features: a herb mainly growing in high altitude of Himalayas, particularly northeastern region known as Kirat. The whole plant is bitter. Habitat Uzbekistan distributed in temperate Himalayas 4,000 to 10,000 feet from Kashmir to Bhutan. Habit Swarup, annual or perennial herb, stem 0.6 to 1.5 meter, branching terete except near the top. Leaves broadly lanceolate, 10 by 3.8 centimeter. Acuate calyx and corolla 4. Lobed corolla green, yellow, twinned with purple. Two glands on each lobe, green fringed with long hairs. उपयुक्त part used Panchang. Description of the part: drug consists a whole plant, a peculiar shining yellowish sting all over the herbs is fresh, ample, 10 up to 1 meter long and 6 in diameter, glabrous, yellowish brown to purplish, slightly quadrangular above and cylindrical below. Large, continuous, easily separable, yellow pith, leaf opposite, pollen broad at base, ovate or lanceolate, entire acuminate, glabrous, usually with 5 to 7 prominent lateral veins branching from the axis of the leaves, which ramify further into peculinate inflorescence. Flower tetramerous 2 to 3 wide, ovoid with two glandular depressions near the base of each corolla lobes. Ovary superior bicarpellary unilocular, ovoid and pointed. Fruit a capsule with numerous minute reticulated seeds, 0.25 to 0.55 long, 0.16 to 0.45 broad, irregularly ovoid. Gun, if we talk about Gun, then Tikt, Virya, Sheet, Gun, Laguruksh, Vir Vipak Katu. Dosh Karmta, Kapit Shamak, and Rogan Karamta pharmacological actions are Virechak, Sannipat, Jwaragn, Swasagn, Kasagn, Rakt Doshar, Dahagn, Shotagn, Krishna Nigrahan, Pustagn, Deepan, Pachan, Pitta Paustic, and Pitta Virechak. If we talk about Amik Prayog therapeutic uses in Jeen Jwar, when there is Agnivande and Sharirda, a plant prepared with churan and given. Sudarshan churan, where in Kiratik is an ingredient, may also be given. In Sannipata Jwar, to improve the Agnimandya, it is given with twag and other sugandhravya. In Hikka, Garbhani Vaman, etc., the churan or kwath of Kiratik is given with madhu. In Vatrak, it is given by Balya Oshad. In Yakatikar, it given with Dhanyak after preparing a kwath along with madhu. एक उपाचन संग्रहणी ज्वर एंड कृमि भूनिम्बाद्य चूर्ण is given in जीर्ण ज्वर पांडु and शारदा अभ्यंग is done with kiratic taila. Matra dose चूर्ण 1 to 3 grams, quat 25 to 100 ml. औषधि योग formulations kiratic quat and चीनोत्पद्वादी चूर्ण, सुदर्शन चूर्ण, चंद्र प्रभावटी, चंदनासव and Sarujwar Harlo, Atyadikwat, Lodrasav, Mamanjistadikwat. That's all are the formulations of Kiratic. Modern pharmacology. Chirayata possesses the property of bitter tonic But unlike most other medicines of this class, it does not constipate the bowel, but rather tends to produce a regular action. It causes a free discharge of the bile while promoting more healthy action, hence its position in European practice as a tonic to gouty person. It is tonic febrifuge the laxative and used in fever, burning of the body, intestinal bulbs and skin diseases. It is particularly useful as tonic of mild febrifuge in fever. It is an excellent beta for children and should be taken every morning, then discontinued for a time. Thereafter to be resumed until the desired action has been produced. Chemical constituents: xanthones, xanthose glycosides, and mangiferine flavonoids. Substitutes and adulterations: the commercial samples are almost invariably mixed with some other identical species of Schwarzschild, of which Schwarzschild angustifolia, having winged quadrangular stem, and Schwarzschild alata, having short leaves, are more common. These species are not bitter. The drug is substituted by Andrographis paniculata kalmake in some part of India, especially in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and West Bengal. In classical reference, भावप्रकाश निघंटु says किरात तिक्त है, केशत है, कटु तिक्त है, किरात तिक्त है. कांड तिक्तो अनार्य तिक्तो भूनिम्बो राम सेन कहे. किरात तिक्तो अन्यो नेपाल है. सो अर्ध तिक्तो ज्वरांतक है. किरात है सारको रुक्ष है शीतलस तिक्तो लघु. सन्निपात ज्वर श्वास कफ पित्तास्त्र दहनु. काशोत वृषाकुष्ठ ज्वर व्रण क्रमी प्रणुत. भाव प्रकाश निगंटू. After that, we discuss about Shankhapushpi. Botanical name: Converse bullus, Microphylla or Convolvulus pluricollis. Family name is Convolvulaceae and Kul Trivakul. Hindi: Shankhapushpi. Shankhapushpi. The flowers are like shank and white in color, so it is called Shankhapushpi. Shankhahaye. All the synonyms of shank is used for this plant. Mangalya Kushma, considered to be auspicious plant because of the white color and shape of shank, both are considered to be good omen. कम्बु पुष्पी, फ्लावर्स आर मिल्की वाइट. शीर पुष्पी भी बोल सकते हैं. तिलकी, सुपुष्पी, भूतिलक, मनोरम, ये सब प्लांट हैविंग अट्रैक्टिव फ्लावर्स. सो शंख पुष्मा, शंख मालिनी, शीत पुष्पी, Kambu malika. The flowers are white like shankar. Medya, having Medya properties. One Vilasini, the place where its flowers look attractive. Main features: the flowers are white and like the color of skunk, and it is very attractive. It is considered to be an auspicious plant because of white color like that of skunk, and considered as a good omen. The main action of the drug is Medya. Both variety and controversy. Some Nigantu have mentioned Vishnukranta as one of the variety, but Bhavaprakash Nigantu has given Vishnukranta as synonym of Aprajita. And Vishnukranta or Aprajita or Neel Aprajita are not Sangapushpi. The blue colored flowers and Pushpi should be considered as a variety of Sangapushpi. The Nigantu Ratnakar has mentioned three varieties of Vishnukranta to color of the flower as Neel, Sweet, and Rakt. The red color flower plant is known as Sarpakshi. Most of Vedya consider Evolvulus alcinoides Shankpushpi. Actually, the color of the flower is red. On the basis, the plant may be considered as Vishnukranta. Convolvulus macrophylla, which is having white flowers, should be considered. There are difference of opinion. The following plants are considered as Sanpushpi: Convolvulus macrophyllus, Con- uh, Evolvulus alcinoides, and Canscora dasputa. As discussed above, Convolvulus macrophylla is commonly accepted as Sanpushpi. Habit Utpatistan, common in Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, and in the upper Gangetic plains. Habit Swarup: a diffuse hairy perennial herb with a woody root stalk, branches, slender, terete, prostrate, and suberect, erect, sparse, separately, fulvor, pillows, leaves shortly petioed, linear, oblanceolate up to 1 by 1/4 inch long. The upper ones smaller, linear, oblong, hairy on both sides, flowers solitary or in pairs, sessile or nearly so in the leaf axils, bracket linear, calyx thin, hairy, sepals subequal, lanceolate to ovate, tips acuminate, corolla pale rose, shortly funnel shaped, 1 by 4 to 1 by 3 inches long. Capsule globose than less than 1 by 6 inches in diameter. Seeds brown minutely tuberous. उपयुक्त अंग part use panchang. Description of the part: dried whole earth consisting of small woody, profusely branched root, slender terete, sparsely fulgurous, and pilose stems, linear, oblong and oblanceolate, hairy leaves up to 35 mm long and 2 to 4 mm broad and small. White funnel-shaped flowers represented by bale-shaped calyx only, occurring solitary or in pairs in the axil of alternately arranged leaves. The herb depicts a dusty yellowish-green color in dry condition. Odor middle phenolic, taste slightly bitter and mucilaginous. रस कषाय कटु तिक्त गुण स्निग्ध पिच्छल गुरुसर वीर्य शीत विपाक कटु प्रभाव मेद्य दोष कमता त्रिदोष हर फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन सर मेद्य भ्रश्य मानस रोग हर रसायन स्मृतिवर्धक कांतिप्रद बलवर्धक अग्निदीपक अपस्मार हर एंड भूतग्न कुष्ठग्न कृमिघ्न एंड विषग्न Armic प्रयोग therapeutic uses in Unmaud 10 to 40 ml fresh source of Sankushpi is given. It causes laxative action and the mud is decreased. In Apasmar and Buddhi Mande, Brahmi Swaras Vacha Kust Shankushpi cooked in Pran Ghat and given. In uh, Baddh Kosh Gulm Ana, the root is given for loose motion. The leaves are used to Dhumrapan in Jean Kas and Swas. In रक्ताश and Raktabaman Swaras is useful. Pui में मूत्रपच and शुक्र दौर्बल्य it is helpful. It is useful in गर्भाशय दौर्बल्य. शंखपुष्पी is a rasayan especially promoting intellect. Matra dose student 3 to 5 grams, Pant 40 to 80 ml, Swaras 20 to 40 ml. औषधि of formulations मानस मित्र वटक अगस्त्यादि हरित की रसायन ब्रह्म रसायन ब्राह्मी ग्रथ गोरोचरादि वटी ब्राह्मी वटी अमृतादि रसायन संख पुष्पी पानक केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स एल्कोलॉइड्स होते हैं अगर सब्स्टिट्यूट और अडल्ट्रेशंस की बात करें तो ए नंबर ऑफ अदर प्लांट्स आर आल्सो यूज्ड एज सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ द ड्रग दीज आर evolvulus alkaloids of the same family. The leaves of the plant are larger, especially covered with silky hair with blue flowers. The plant is also a common adulterant. Canephora descata is commonly used as a substitute in Bengal and Bihar. The latter material has tri-nerved, ovate, glabrous leaves and white flower in branched panicles. Prakash Nigantu says, Shank Pushpi tu Sankahaya, Mangalya Pushma api च Shank Pushpi Saramedya, Vrashya Manas Roghar, Rasayani, Kashayo Ushna, Smriti Kanti Balagmita, Dosha Pasmar, Bhutakshi, Kust Kami Vishnu. This is all about Shampushmi. So, students, today's session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you.